This is our initial inspection of the property. This is the garage, located on a cul-de-sac. Front door, living room, dining room, kitchen, backyard, covered patio. All the rooms are upstairs. Lots of debris. Primary room. Again, debris. Primary bathroom. Dual vanity. Closet. Library. Carpets need to be replaced, stain worn. Laundry room. Hookups. Second bedroom. Again, lots of debris. Kid toys. Media room. Small closet. Bedroom 3. Again, lots of debris. Carpet. Second bathroom. And your fourth bedroom here. Need information about this home or others? Contact us.